In this video, I want to talk about how you can join competitions inside of TradingView. Now, usually they will host some sort of competition once in a while, and you can usually find them by going over to tradingview.com, hover the community, and usually there will be some sort of competition. So right now they're running this competition called the Leap. So what you want to do is just select the one, and as you can see, it's gonna end in 15 hours. And what you want to do is you want to just come in here and there will be a sign up button. Now, since this is currently running and I can't join because it's already running, you have to join before it starts. So I cannot join right now, but usually you should be able to come in here and you can join the competition. Now, keep in mind, you can only join the competitions if you have an upgraded account. So if you're on the free plan, this is not gonna work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.